Create your dream kitchen with the aid of free kitchen design tools. For homeowners planning to build or remodel their kitchen area involves several great ways. Traditionally, we make our layouts out of our imagination and sketch them on paper so that other people can get an idea of what we want. It becomes frustrating when we try to express what we want but we cannot fully describe it. With the latest technology, anyone can now find a lot of different tools to help them get ideas and inspirations for kitchen layouts. Instead of using pencil and paper, you can now create your layout using your desktop and browser-based software. Many of these free tools are available online. Some manufacturers of kitchens have an online planner that visitors can use free. One can do a quick Google search and type free kitchen design tool. This will bring up results depending on what you are searching for, like cabinetry, flooring, backsplashes and many more. Once you have decided on your choices, you can then take a look at some manufacturer's website to see if they have what you need.